In this video, I will show you how to install packages in Jupyter Notebook. To install packages in Jupyter Notebook, you can use the following methods. You can use the pip method, open a code cell in your notebook, and type !pip install package name and run the cell. Make sure to replace the package name with the name of the package that you want to install. So for example, I want to install NumPy, I'll enter !pip install NumPy. Another method that you can use is using the conda method if you're using Anaconda. Open a code cell and type !conda install package name --yes and run the cell. Make sure you replace the package name with your desired package. And the last option that you have is to use virtual environments. It's a good practice to use virtual environments to keep your dependencies isolated. You can create and activate a virtual environment and then install packages within it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.